So, food trip tayo, Gar. Oh.
Oo nga.
Or the caramel macchiato. Anong flavor nun sa'yo?
Cheesecake.
Favorite mo yan, no?
Yeah.
Sure akong maanghang ko. Masarap siya.
Parang lasa sa JB Mart.
Masarap na.
JB
Pero
Mart.
charot-charot. Charot.
I think it's gonna rain hard in the night. Still have my other food.
Guys, hintayin nyo yung ano na, yung business namin.
Just one.
M's Crispy Liempo and fried chicken for only 69 pesos. And creamy kare-kare for only 100 pesos.
I never did rice.
Tapos kapag take out naman, may automatic na siyang dalawang rice nakasama.
For free.
Malapit na!